Hey guys, John here. Welcome back to the series, How to Use Pigments. This is video 18, and today we're talking about the amp mod section, which is located on the right-hand side of the synth next to the filter section. So this first knob here that says velocity, and there's a drop-down menu with a lot of different stuff. So it's going to become default on velocity. Now, what this is basically doing is this knob is being able to modulate the amp. So the final output of your synth can be modulated from different types of parameters. So right now, this is selected to velocity. And for this demonstration, I have in the piano roll, so in the MIDI editor, depending on what DAW you're using, I have 4 notes here, and right here is different levels of velocity. So the first one's kind of low, the next one increases, and so on and so forth, until the last fourth one is going to be at the very top. So with that being said, with this velocity down, if we listen to these notes here, let's solo this right here, they're going to sound about the same in volume. Nothing too crazy. For a little bit better demonstration, let's go over to analog so we have a saw wave here. So even here in the spectrum view, they all have the same type of volume because we're not doing any modulation for the amp. So when we bring this velocity all the way to the top to have full influence controlled by the velocity, take a listen to see what happens now. So now this difference in velocity is now going to be controlling the volume or the amp of this synth now. And anywhere in between, you can kind of toggle how much of an influence that's going to have over your patch. Notice all the way down, it's going to be the exact same volume every single time. And as we increase this, that's going to change. And the possibilities are quite endless, not necessarily endless, but there's just quite a lot of amounts here to play around with. So you can basically tell the synth that you want an LFO to modulate this amp source, or you want, for example, envelope 2, LFO 1, function 1, 2, 3, which we're going to talk about these later on in the course. However, I do want you to be aware that there's a lot of different type of modulation sources, including all the 4 macros down here. So the customization of this synth is pretty insane. So for just a quick demonstration, if we have LFO 1 selected here, and let's take a look at our patch and let's see what happens here. As we see the LFO running here. Now let's increase the speed. So now we can just, with the little buttons here, we have almost this like pulsing kind of sound. And that's just one of many different options here that I highly suggest you explore, play around with a little bit more. But I do want you to be aware of all these amp mod sources that you can do and how this works within Pigments. So that's pretty much it for this video. In the next video, we're going to start talking about the effects section and how all this section here works and what we can do. And this is a very cool section, so I look forward to that video and I look forward to seeing you guys there. We'll see you in the next one.